this is Alicia with Two-Way Direct. Today we're going to be looking at the Two-Way Direct brand BCLS Replacement Lithium-Ion Battery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this new BCLS battery into this VL50 model by Motorola. So if you're interested in watching, let's go ahead and dive in. The BCLS lithium-ion battery has 1600 megahertz, giving roughly 10 to 12 hours of battery life. We best recommend to charge your battery overnight before use, and you only want to charge really when needed. Manufactured in-house, this versatile alternative option is perfect for the following Motorola models: the CLS 1110, the CLS 1410, and the Motorola VL50. Here I'm going to show you how to replace your TWD-BCLS battery. Then as you turn your radio over, you will see that there is a door hinge here. You want to press down and press out. Then you want to add your fully charged battery and line up the pins and push down until you hear a click. Then reattach your door. Press again and make sure that there's a click. Add your cases and belt clips and then turn on your battery. If you're interested in the TWD-BCLS replacement battery, feel free to check it out on our website at twaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.